So today we're doing a really great tutorial on how to make straight hair wavy. And this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so please watch along. And also let me know in the comments below if you like me doing these hands-on tutorials where I'm just going over a bunch of stuff. But I happen to get a lot of people asking me about how to make straight hair wavy. So I've got a mannequin right here. This mannequin has pin straight hair, as you can see. I'm just gonna comb through this, and I'm gonna pretend as if this was like, say someone just getting out of the shower, they've got perfectly straight hair, and we're gonna go through a step-by-step process. Now, this particular hairstyle, the reason I'm doing this is because in order to create any sort of like waves in your hair, you need to have some length to your hair. Because if your hair is too short, like say the length is like here, you'll be able to get some texture, but the longer your hair is, the more you're gonna be able to manipulate it and make it a bit more wavy. Curly, then you might as well just get a perm, or I've done videos in the past of how to make your hair curly, which you can actually put perm rods in your hair and sleep with that overnight. You'll wake up and your hair will be literally ringlets. It'll be super curly, no chemicals involved, just the perm rods, and let it sit overnight and you'll have curly hair. Once you wash it, the same with what we're doing today, once you wet your hair, once you wash it, it's going to go back to normal. Unless you have a chemically done treatment like a perm or a body wave, something like that, that's the only way that your hair is going to stay wavy or curly until as it grows out from the new growth, which is straight. You're gonna eventually have to grow it all out or cut it, okay? So, what do we do? Now, because I have my own products, which I know a lot of you purchase, and I'm so thankful for that, I'm gonna go through my routine. So the first thing I always am going to be doing and using is 25 spray. This is like the foundational spray that everyone should be using on their hair no matter what. It's got 25 benefits. I didn't literally just call this 25 spray because, 25 is cool. 25 hair benefits in this bottle. Now, if you are purchasing this, I'm gonna just say this right now because I do get emails from people. One thing you wanna do is make sure that after you use it, this little piece right here, okay, this little piece where the product comes out, just every once in a while scrape it off so there's no blockage so the product can stream out nicely. Now, the next thing is the whole issue of it squirting out like a laser stream. If I just press lightly, yes, it's going to squirt out like a laser stream, okay? The reason is because it's a thick liquid, almost like a light lotion. This needs to be pressed down really firmly on the nozzle like this. I'm literally pushing down on this fast and firm. There we go. Then it sprays out. If you're just doing one little light, it's gonna be a sniper, okay? You're shooting a sniper rifle here. Now, next thing you do, run this through your hair. You can even use the vent brush that I sell on my website just to get it evenly distributed through the hair. That's the next thing that's really important. Comb through it. Now, next product is Tidal Wave. So we're on to our second product. If you don't know, Tidal Wave literally is my #1 selling product. This is a fully customized product that I spent a lot of time on getting right, and this is going to help enhance your waves. You need something like this. The one thing you want to be careful about is you don't want to overspray it. All you need is a handful of sprays. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and maybe one more for good luck. That's it. 4 to 5 spritzes, that is it. Next thing you want to do, once again, is comb through it. So comb through the hair, make sure it's evenly distributed, and you're good to go. You can then take your hands and run it through just to get the product through like that, and just get a feel for the product. You're not really gonna feel much yet because it's water-based, so you're gonna feel like your hair actually is in good condition. The next thing is what type of style do you want? Okay, so obviously we're going from straight to kind of wavy. You need to figure out how do you want your hair to look. Do you want to have it like a center middle part like this? Do you want to have a side parting? That's up to you. So let's go with a center part. All right, so here we go. This is gonna be the kind of look we're going for. Now, what do? Here is where the styling technique comes in, the tools that you use, which is very, very important. So what you wanna do is we're gonna be utilizing our hands, mostly our fingers, and also my blow dryer, which comes with this magnetic diffuser like this. You need something like this so it helps diffuse the air and the heat so it's actually softer and it's not blowing the hair all over the place. You need something like this. Trust me, as a professional stylist for close to 30 years, you need this, all right? Now, you have a few options. You can put this on low speed or high. Depends on you, okay? If you want to get the job done quicker, then use the higher speed. The next thing is the technique. So what I'm going to be doing, and I'll be doing this in kind of real time, so I may not be talking much, is you actually want to scrunch the hair like this. Now you see what happens. It's like your hands are like a claw. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that hair and you're gonna scrunch it and squeeze it and then blow dry like this. When you release, you're gonna see that the hair has some sort of texture and wave to it. So I'm not gonna talk, just follow along. I'm gonna blow dry this and we're gonna take a look and see what it's like when we're done. All right. So just so you know, if you are using this, this isn't like it's crazy glued on, okay? It's a magnetic attachment. You know, it's not the most expensive hair dryer in the world. It, you know, for the price that I sell it at and the technology, the fact that it comes with this, but you may, even as a stylist, this has happened on numerous dryers, the nozzle may come off, all right? The diffuser may come off. If you hit it, you shake it too hard, it's gonna come off. Again, it's not permanently stuck on here, so don't blame the tool if, for example, it comes off, okay? It happens to me often. So now, a couple things I wanna go over. You notice that the head, the mannequin head, is tilted back. The reason I do that is that because it lets the hair kind of fall back into a natural state and allows me to get more coverage on this. So let's turn this around and look at this. I mean, this is almost borderline curly for the most part. And as you can see, look how much wave and texture we have. And this was perfectly straight hair. Now, the key to this is you want to not touch it. Like while you're blow drying it, you don't want to shake it and rattle it and run your fingers through it. It's gonna be a big crazy mess. As you saw, what I did mostly was use the diffuser to do most of the work. All right, and the diffuser is what made it have that kind of curly, wavy texture and have that appearance of making it look like it's a lot more curly. Again, this was pin straight hair. So then what do? I'll take Tidal Wave once again while it's almost fully dry. And now I'm gonna do 5 sprays, okay? Now, you don't have to dry it fully, okay? I always suggest leaving a little moisture in the hair, but after you spray on this Tidal Wave, it kind of helps lock it in. Then you can give everything kind of one more final scrunch to kind of tame it down like this, and then set it and forget it. And now you can see, I mean, this is all done real time. There's no faking it. I mean, look at this. You can see. So anyone can achieve this. Now, if you have fine hair, you know, maybe the hair texture itself is fine, but you have a lot of hair. If you have pin straight hair, the key is, and this is the most important thing out of all this, is the haircut that you have. This mannequin has layers. I've cut this haircut in the past, which you can watch on my channel, but if you pull this up, look at, there's layers right there. And you see where it falls right here, where the wave kind of starts to happen. This curl or this length is sitting up in here. So you need to have a layered haircut if you really want to enhance and maximize any sort of texture while your hair is straight. It's very important. I don't want to start getting comments from people, oh, my hair doesn't do it, I tried it, and you've got hair down to here and there's no layers in it. You need to have the right haircut. If you do want to learn or know how to, just search the Salon Guy layers on YouTube. You will find hundreds of videos that I've done just on getting this type of haircut. Just search for my stuff. Now, again, let me know if you found this technique helpful. Do you want to see more tutorial videos like this? I have over 2,400 videos here on YouTube. If you do, right, want to purchase any of my products here, especially this blow dryer, which can only be purchased and used in the United States. I keep saying this over and over again because of the voltage. It's only compatible in the United States. Do not buy this here and send it to the Philippines, send it to Germany, send it to Russia, wherever the heck it is. It can only be used in the United States, all right? Or else you'll have some major issues. It may burn, smoke up, whatever it is. So USA only on this. My products here, use code, it's an exclusive code here, YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. A lot of it is using the right tools and the right products. These are all products that I've worked very hard on throughout the years with my branding, and these are all tested, customized, created by myself. And I'm really excited about these shampoos, conditioners. I mean, everything I use, I sell. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.